Today, we are going to learn about different domestic animals. Pay attention and repeat after me. The first animal is cow. A cow is a large animal that lives on a farm. Farmers keep cows for their milk and meat. We get a lot of products from cows, such as milk, cheese, butter, and leather. Cows are herbivores, which means they only eat plants. They have 4 stomachs and can digest tough plant material. Cows are social animals and live in groups. They communicate with each other by making different sounds, such as mooing. The next animal is goat. A goat is a smaller animal that is raised on farms for its milk, meat, and wool. Goats are very agile and can climb steep hills with ease. They are also good at jumping and can leap over obstacles that are almost as tall as them. Goats have special rectangular pupils that help them to see predators that are approaching from the sides. They also have a unique digestive system that allows them to digest tough plant material. Goats are social animals and live in groups called herds. They communicate with each other by making sounds such as bleating. The third animal is sheep. Sheep are animals that are raised on farms for their wool, meat, and milk. They are often found in grassy fields and are known for their woolly coats. Sheep are herbivores and eat grass, hay, and other plants. They have a special digestive system that allows them to digest tough plant material. Sheep are social animals and live in groups called flocks. They communicate with each other by making sounds such as baa. The fourth animal is horse. Horses are large, strong animals that are used for riding, farming, or transport. They have 4 legs, a tail, and 2 ears. Horses are herbivores and eat grass, hay, and grains. They are social animals and live in groups called herds. Horses communicate with each other by making sounds such as neighing. The fifth animal is donkey. Donkeys are smaller than horses and have long ears and a thick mane. They are used for carrying loads and doing farm work. Donkeys are herbivores and eat grass, hay, and other plants. They are social animals and live in groups called herds. Donkeys communicate with each other by making sounds such as hee-haw. The sixth animal is pig. Pigs are farm animals that are raised for their meat, which is called pork. They are known for their snouts and tails. Pigs are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and animals. They are social animals and live in groups called herds. Pigs communicate with each other by making sounds such as oinking. The seventh animal is chicken. Chickens are common birds that are raised for their eggs and meat. They have feathers, wings, and beaks. Chickens are omnivores and eat seeds, insects, and small animals. They are social animals and live in groups called flocks. Chickens communicate with each other by making sounds such as clucking and squawking. The eighth animal is duck. Ducks are water birds that are kept for their eggs, meat, and feathers. They have webbed feet for swimming and a bill for catching fish. Ducks are omnivores and eat fish, frogs, and aquatic plants. They live in groups called flocks and communicate by making sounds such as quacking. The ninth animal is dog. Dogs are probably the most popular pets in the world. They are known for their loyalty and companionship. Dogs come in many different shapes and sizes. They are carnivores and eat meat. They also have a unique ability to smell things that are very good at hunting. Animals such as rabbits and squirrels. They make several sounds, such as barking, howling, and whining. The 10th animal is cat. Cats are small, furry animals that are kept as pets. They are good at catching mice and other small animals. Cats are carnivores and eat meat. They are also very good at climbing and can jump very high. Cats communicate by making sounds such as meowing, purring, and hissing. The 11th animal is turkey. Turkeys are large birds that are raised for their meat, especially during holidays such as Thanksgiving. They have colorful feathers and a wattle that is a red, fleshy growth on their neck. Turkeys are omnivores and eat plants, insects, and small animals. They live in groups called flocks and communicate by making sounds such as gobbling. The 12th animal is buffalo. Buffalo are large water animals that are used for their milk, meat, and for doing work in the fields. They have horns, a hump on their back, and a thick coat of hair. Buffalo are herbivores and eat grass and other plants. They are also very strong and can pull heavy loads. Buffaloes communicate by making sounds such as mooing and bellowing. The 13th animal is llama. Llamas are animals that are found in South America. They are used for carrying loads and for their wool. Llamas have long necks, woolly coats, and are very sure-footed. They are herbivores and eat plants. Llamas communicate by making sounds such as humming and spitting. The 14th animal is alpaca. Alpacas are smaller relatives of llamas that are raised for their soft wool. They have a woolly coat and a cute face. Alpacas are herbivores and eat grass and other plants. They live in groups called herds and communicate by making sounds such as humming. The 15th animal is pigeon. Pigeons are birds that are often kept for racing or as pets. They have a short neck, a small head, and 2 legs. Pigeons are omnivores and eat seeds, grains, and sometimes insects. They communicate by making sounds such as cooing. The 16th animal is goose. Geese are large water birds that are kept for their meat, eggs, and feathers. They have a long neck, a large bill, and webbed feet. Geese are omnivores and eat aquatic plants, fish, and frogs. They live in groups called flocks and communicate by making sounds such as honking. The 17th animal is yak. Yaks are large, long-haired animals that are found in the Himalayan regions. They are used for transport and for their milk. Yaks have a thick coat of hair, horns, and are very sure-footed. They are herbivores and eat grass and other plants. Yaks communicate by making sounds such as mooing and bellowing. The 18th animal is quail. Quail are small ground-dwelling birds that are kept for their eggs and meat. They have a short neck, a small head, and 2 legs. Quail are omnivores and eat seeds, insects, and sometimes small reptiles. They communicate by making sounds such as quail. The 19th animal is mule. Mules are hybrid animals that are the offspring of a male donkey and a female horse. They are valued for their strength and sure-footedness. Mules are herbivores and eat grass and other plants. They communicate by making sounds such as hee-haw. The 20th animal is camel. Camels are animals that are found in deserts. They have 1 or 2 humps on their back that store fat. Camels are used for transport and for their milk in arid regions. They have long legs, large feet, and long eyelashes. Camels are herbivores and eat desert plants. They communicate by making sounds such as humming and grunting. Now you have learned 20 domestic animals. These are very useful animals that help us in many ways. Some of them give us food, while others help us with farm work or provide us with companionship. Each of these animals is unique and has its own characteristics.